Module 2. Break scarcity conditioning. Have you ever realized that some of your thoughts don't even belong to you? They were downloaded into you long before you ever had a choice. Today, Alex is going to discover that one of the biggest limits in his life wasn't his reality, it was his inheritance. The screen opens with Alex walking through an old neighborhood, passing familiar streets, familiar shops, familiar echoes from childhood. Alex always believed he was cautious with money, practical, sensible. But today, he would discover something deeper. He wasn't cautious. He was conditioned. Alex hears a phrase in the distance, a parent telling a child, "Money doesn't grow on trees." He freezes, because that's exactly what he heard growing up. And that one sentence had shaped decades of his decisions. What if the things you believe about money, success, and opportunity were never yours to begin with? What if they were installed the same way apps get installed on a phone without your permission? Images flash. A mother saying, "Be happy with what you have." A teacher saying, "Life is tough, better not expect too much." A neighbor saying, "People like us don't get rich." These weren't lessons. These were programs. And today, Alex begins deleting them. Alex enters a cafe, sits alone, and remembers something he learned in Module 1. Your first thought is programming. Your second thought is power. Scarcity conditioning is not personality, it's inheritance. Alex didn't choose these beliefs. He absorbed them from culture, school, parents, society, fear, survival. But what enters automatically can be changed intentionally. Alex breathes out slowly. The shift is simple. Scarcity is inherited. Possibility is chosen. And the moment you choose possibility, the inheritance chain breaks. Alex looks at people in the cafe. A young man hesitates to buy a laptop charger, guilt on his face. A woman cancels her online course because she should save. A man accepts a lower salary because that's how life is. This is scarcity conditioning. It shows up in money, choices, self-worth, opportunity, and identity. It keeps you small. Possibility thinking makes you grow. Alex is standing in a store, holding something useful, a tool he needs to fix his home. Then an old whisper arrives. "Don't spend. What if money runs out?" "You don't need this. Be careful." His shoulders tighten. He puts the item back. Not because he can't afford it, but because conditioning made the decision. This is old programming in action. Same store, same item, but this time, Alex pauses. "Alex, this is an investment in my growth. I trust my ability to earn. I make decisions from possibility, not fear." His body relaxes. His breath deepens. He feels grounded. Instead of shrinking, he expands. His thinking shifts from fear to creation. Alex starts thinking, what skill can I sharpen? What new income channel can I explore? What small action can I take today? This is millionaire conditioning. Alex sits in his room with a notebook. The one core idea says, "This belief is old, not true." Alex writes, "Old identity. I'm afraid of financial decisions." New identity. I am rewriting my financial patterns with clarity and power. He closes the notebook with confidence. Alex stares at a job posting on his laptop. Right before he clicks Apply, conditioning says, "Don't aim too high. Be grateful for what you have. People like us don't get those jobs. What if you fail?" He closes the laptop. Comfort becomes a cage. Same laptop, same role, new inner voice. "Alex, I grow into roles. I don't shrink from them. Let me test possibilities." He updates his resume. He sends the application. He messages 2 contacts. He starts a new side path. This is upward mobility. Not waiting, Creating. The core idea is this: what I inherited does not define what I become. Alex writes on sticky notes. I expand. I adapt. I become more valuable every day. And something shifts. His world opens. What if the voice stopping you was never yours? And what if today you finally silence it? Alex stands in front of a mirror. To break conditioning, Alex follows 4 steps. 1. Catch it. He notices an inherited belief. You're asking for too much. 2. Question it. Is this true or just programming? 3. Flip it. This belief is old, not true. 4. Act small. He takes a contradicting action, sends a message, applies, tries something. This is how generational scarcity ends. Alex writes in a journal, what belief did I inherit that no longer matches who I am becoming? He circles one. It loses power instantly. Alex. I create new patterns now. A possibility is my new default. Scarcity conditioning is old software. You don't fix it, you update it. Alex smile. He checks boxes, money, bills, career, comparing, and writes how his body reacts. Awareness equals power. Alex whispers, this belief is old, not true. I choose possibility. He breathes deeply, takes one small action. Pattern reversed. You didn't choose your old beliefs, but today, you chose to delete them. And that choice changes everything that comes next. Alex walks confidently through the same neighborhood he once feared. But now he is free. You just broke a belief that generations before you accepted as truth. You are no longer run by old programming. You are rewriting the story. You are the turning point. You are expanding. If this helped you break even one old pattern, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment and share. I choose possibility.